So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start registering video without any further delay. So this video is going to the routine of 14th September 2024 of the day 283 Saturday. So basically, in this video, I'm going to tell you that what's actually happened in my today's routine video, and that is, basically before going to start today's routine video, I just only wanted to apologize to that because from the last too many days. Routine video I was unable to shoot from the last too many days. I was unable to shoot. Why I was unable to shoot the routine video? Just because of the some reason. The reason is that sometimes in my lazy nature and more than time that I didn't get the proper setup at a reasonable time nowadays. So this is the reason why do I do this. Okay, so I hope you really understand why I do this. And so yeah, this is the all the things which actually happened. Okay, so let's start registering video. So basically guys, today I woke up and after that I have done usual activities, like maybe I went to the bathroom, I don't know exactly about it, but I washed my mouth, and after that I have taken the bath. Okay, and after that I wore my clothes, and after that I washed it in a very proper manner. And after that what I had done, yeah, basically this is the thing which was actually happened. And guys, I basically there is one institute that's there is one institute where I got a message for the scholarship from the RA Samaj scholarship. Okay, but I don't want to participate there just because of this some reason. So yeah, not I have not done too much thing after throughout the whole day. After that I studied, and after that at the time of evening I went ground floor. After that I cooked Maggie, and after that I used my phone, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the short my routine. Okay, basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you really understand till here. If you really understand till here, then can you please like it, because if you like the videos it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos at a very continuously manner. Okay, so let's revise daily learning of the vocabulary. In this video I'm going to learn 5 vocabulary. Okay, so our first word is grateful. Grateful means guys abhari. Okay, second word is fetch. Fetch means lana. So we will also going to take one of the examples. Okay, grateful means abhari. मैं आपका बहुत ही आभार हूँ कि आपने मेरे लिए ये किया. आई एम टोटली वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू दैट यू हैव डन दिस फॉर मी. ओके, अरे आभार होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. देयर इज़ नथिंग फॉर द ग्रेटफुल. मैंने ऐसा इसलिए किया क्योंकि तुमने भी मेरी मदद पहले करा था. आई हैव डन दिस ऑल द काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग जस्ट बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो हेल्प मी बिफोर. ओके, सो आवर सेकेंड वर्ड इज फैच. फैच मीन्स लाना. मैंने सारे सेब मुझे सारे सेब लाना था. आई हैव टू फैच ऑल दी एप्पल्स. थर्ड वर्ड इज हैंड मी. हैंड मी मीन्स गाइज मुझे दे, या मुझे दे दो, मैं वहाँ पर पहुँचा दूँगा. प्लीज़ हैंड मी दिस, आई विल टेक इट डाउन टू बी देयर. ओके, सो one word is also as fourth word is random. Random means as I didn't get the meaning. It seems like randomly you have done this, but I didn't get this word. But I'm gonna tell you that you have I randomly ate that apple. Sorry, this is not. I randomly ate that fruit. Okay, so yeah, basically apple's example is also correct. Okay, I randomly take that apple. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, and the last but not least is destination. Destination means guys गंतव्य. तुम्हारा गंतव्य कहाँ तक है? Where is your destination yet? Where is your destination? Okay, so basically guys, this is the all the 5 words which we have learned in today. So before going to the start anything, I just only wanted to revise the last included this day from the last yesterday, day before yesterday, and today's routine, all the vocabulary that we have learned across Across means आर पार. Amazed. Amazed means चकित. Until means जब तक. Kept means रखा. Sudden means अचानक. Itself means somewhere. Restless means बेचैन होना. Severe means गंभीर. Bumped means टकरा. Agony means पीड़ा. Grateful यानी आभार. Fetch means लाना. Hand me means मुझे देना. And random, I didn't wrote any Hindi word of it. And destination means gantavya. So guys, this is the all the things which we have done today. And I told you my vocabulary today, okay. And sorry, I told you my routine, okay. And second is I told you my vocabulary. And third, I'm going to talk about topics. Today I'm going to talk about social topics. Social topic is nothing, it is just an social. First our topic is social issue. Social issue is nothing, it is just a kind of thing that we have to solve it at a very perfect manner and at a very reliable as a wise person manner, okay. So how can we solve the social issue? Suppose that there is one thing is happening, that too many bad people came and trying to abuse someone in a very loudly manner. Then there is too many kids and learning also the same thing, and they can also do in future if they are not getting a good care, then they will also do in future the same thing, right? So this is the kind of social issue where the impact will happen throughout the all over the society at a bunch manner, okay. So we have to social issue at a very soon manner. Basically, if I talk about the youth is the main pillar of the society, basically. Or we can also say that the future of the society is youth, okay. So we have to do something for that, okay. Social issue, okay. So we have to solve the social issue at a very perfect manner. And one example I already gave you, that too many bad people came and abused at a very loud manner. Basically youth as well as the children as well the students learning that things and listening, and they were listening at a very continuously manner. And sometimes when they got anger too much, and they got outside from their mouth was trying to tell that abusive manner to reduce their angerness, but this is not the right words. They should acquire some social issue. First we need to acquire some good people and trying to command and taking the advantage of good people. We should learn something with, but nowadays in that manner people don't acquire the knowledge, just acquire the bad thing that people do, okay. So we need to change, so society should also need to change from that topic, and should adopt it a good and a perfect manner thing. And basically, and one thing is also, I just only wanted to tell you about that spirituality. People should also have spirituality to get to be a good, reliable and understandable, okay. And where people can compare somebody, you will if somebody is in a spiritual manner, then their existence is something different as compared to other person. That kind of person's personality is something better than throughout the other people, okay. So basically, this is the all the things which is I wanted to trying to tell you. And we have discussed till yet in a very perfect manner, I think so, okay. So guys, this is the thing which was actually happened, guys, and I hope you will understand till yet. And one thing I just only wanted to request you then, guys, if you found any kind of mistakes when I speak in English, like any grammatical mistake or any English error mistake, so you can kindly please tell me in the comment section. I will really try to improve my English speaking skills at a very soon. And I really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. If you tell me in the comment section, I will really appreciate you that you are trying to help me to improve my English speaking skills, okay. So yeah guys, this is the all the things which was actually happened, and today we have completed the day 283, okay. We will reach our the next goal, that is day 300 very soon. And yeah, this is the thing which was actually happened. And I think that guys, it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.